Handa ka na ba sa panibagong araw? Are you ready for a new day? May gusto ka bang pag-usapan? Is there anything you'd like to talk about? Ano ang gusto mong itanong sa akin? What would you like to ask me? Ano ang pinaka-importante sa iyo ngayon? What's most important to you now? Ano ang pinapangarap mong puntahan? What's your dream destination? Masaya ka ba sa buhay mo ngayon? Are you happy with your life now? Ano ang nagpapangiti sa'yo? What makes you smile? Ano ang nagpapalakas ng loob mo? What gives you courage? May gusto ka bang subukan? Is there something you'd like to try? Ano ang plano mo sa susunod na buwan? What's your plan for next month? May trabaho ka pa bang tatapusin? Do you still have work to finish? Matutulog ka na ba ng maaga? Will you sleep early? Ano ang gusto mong gawin ngayong gabi? What do you want to do tonight? Kailan kayo ulit magkikita? When will you see each other again? Ano ang sasabihin mo sa kanya? What will you say to him or her? Kailan mo siya huling nakausap? When did you last talk to him or her? Kanino ka madalas makipag-usap? Who do you usually talk to? Sino ang pinaka-pinagkakatiwalaan mo? Who do you trust the most? Ano ang pinakamagandang payo na natanggap mo? What's the best advice you've received? May bago ka bang natutunan? Did you learn something new? Ano ang gusto mong matutunan? What do you want to learn? Ano ang inaabangan mo? What are you looking forward to? Ano ang pinagpapasalamat mo ngayon? What are you thankful for today? Ano ang gusto mong baguhin? What would you like to change? Uminom ka ba agad ng tubig? Did you drink water right away? Ano ang una mong ginawa pagkagising? What was the first thing you did after waking up? Mahimbing ba ang tulog mo? Did you sleep well? Nagising ka ba sa gitna ng gabi? Did you wake up in the middle of the night? Ano ang napanaginipan mo? What did you dream about? Kumusta ang tulog mo kagabi? How did you sleep last night? Ano ang gusto mong kainin mamaya? What do you want to eat later? May natira pa bang pagkain? Is there any food left? Naghugas ka ba ng pinggan? Have you washed the dishes? Ano ang gagawin mo kung ikaw ang nasa sitwasyon? What would you do if you were in that situation? Ano ang natutunan mo rito? What did you learn from this? Ano ang maipapayo mo? What advice would you give? Ano ang opinion mo tungkol doon? What do you think about that? Magkano ang ibinayad mo? How much did you pay? Ano ang gusto mong orderin? What do you want to order? Gusto mo bang magpahinga lang? Do you just want to rest? Ano ang plano mo sa susunod na linggo? What's your plan for next week? Ano ang inaasahan mo bukas? What do you expect tomorrow? Handa ka na bang umalis? Are you ready to leave? May iniwan ka ba? Did you leave anything behind? Sigurado ka bang dala mo na ang lahat? Are you sure you have everything? Ano ang kailangan mong dalhin? What do you need to bring? May nakalimutan ka ba? Did you forget anything? Anong oras ka gigising bukas? What time will you wake up tomorrow? Nakahanda na ba ang mga gamit mo? Are your things ready? Ano ang una mong gagawin bukas? What's the first thing you'll do tomorrow? Sino ang tumulong sa'yo? Who helped you? Tinulungan ka ba nila? Did they help you? Marami ba kayong ginawa? Did you do a lot? Kumusta ang araw mo sa trabaho? How was your day at work? May nangyari ba habang wala ako? Did anything happen while I was away? Sino ang kasama mong pumunta? Who did you go with? Babalik ka pa ba roon? Will you go back there? Sulit ba ang punta mo? Was it worth it going? Ano ang pinaka nagustuhan mo? What did you like the most? Sasama ka rin ba? Are you coming through? Sino ang maghahatid sa'yo pauwi? Who's taking you home? Nakasakay ka na ba? Have you gotten on? Nasa daan ka na ba? Are you on the way? Nakaalis ka na ba? Have you left already? Gaano ka kalayo? How far are you? Matagal ka na bang naghihintay? Have you been waiting long? Maaga ka bang darating? Will you arrive early? Anong oras ka darating? What time will you arrive? Anong oras ka aalis bukas? What time will you leave tomorrow? Marami ka bang bisita? Do you have many visitors? Paano mo sila inihatid? How did you take them home? May nakausap ka na ba? Have you talked to anyone? Nasaan ka kahapon? Where were you yesterday? Nasaan ka kagabi? Where were you last night? Marami ba ang nakakita? Did many see it? Sang-ayon ka ba sa kanila? Do you agree with them? Ayaw mo bang hintayin kita? Don't you want me to wait for you? Isa ka rin ba sa kanila? Are you one of them? Tumulong ka man lang ba? Did you even help? Saan ang daan papunta roon? Where is the way going there? Sasabihan mo ba sila? Will you tell them? Bakit ayaw mong sumama sa amin? Why don't you like to come with us? Mag-isa ka lang ba rito? Are you alone here? Nakausap mo ba sila kanina? Did you talk to them earlier? Sabay ba tayong uuwi? Shall we go home together? Natupad ba ang pangako mo? Did your promise come true? Nakatulog ka ba ng mahimbing? Did you sleep well? Saan ang punta nila? Where are they going? Nakalimutan mo na ba? Have you forgotten? Nasa bahay ka ba ngayon? Are you home now? Hinatid ka ba? Did someone drop you off? Sigurado ba sila rito? Are they sure about this?